You know you left me lonely.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. This time, it's all about the Oukitel WP300, a rugged modular phone built for survival, remote work, and outdoor living. From detachable gadgets to a massive battery and strong performance, this device feels less like a phone and more like an essential tool for anyone who travels light but needs capability. Well, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh, don't forget to hype the video. Okay, let's start the review of Oukitel WP300.
You try but can't get through to me. It's not you yet, it's always me. I close my heart to you, you see it opens up for nobody. It's been so hard to fall asleep. The weather always makes my nose bleed. Makes my nose bleed. It's so hard to believe that one day I'll feel peace.
The WP300 is built to endure with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H certifications. That means serious resistance to water, dust, impact, and pressure. With reinforced corners and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 shielding the front, there's protection on all sides. While a bit thick and heavy by regular standards, this structure is fully intentional, and by the standard of a rugged smartphone, it's pretty light, pretty slim. This is where WP300 stands apart. It's not just rugged, it's modular. At the center is a hybrid accessory that works as both a smartwatch and a Bluetooth earbud. The front shows a 1.47-inch AMOLED display with health tracking, notifications, and fitness features. Flip it over, and there's a discrete earbud built right in. Pop it off the back of the phone, take a call, and magnetically dock it to recharge, no cables needed. Specs include a 150 mAh battery, heart rate sensor, pedometer, vibration motor, and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast pairing. It replaces both a separate smartwatch and earbuds, all in one compact form. The integration is seamless, practical, and rugged ready. Then there is the camping light module. Bright, focused, and compact. It transforms the phone into an instant light source, whether illuminating a trail, assisting with late night repairs, or providing backup during a power cut. It's reliable and simple to attach. Both modules click into place with ease and offer real upgrades to what the WP300 can do. Well, if you know me, then you know that I care about DCGB, display, camera, gaming, and battery. But before I talk about display, gaming, and battery performance, I wanna talk about the camera performance. Because I'm surprised and satisfied with the camera performance of this Oukitel WP300. Oukitel WP300 uses its main sensor for portraits, and the results are clean and balanced. Subject separation works well, and the background blur looks natural for a synthetic effect. Contrast is handled smoothly, and facial textures stay visible without looking processed. Skin tone comes through looking accurate in daylight, and the overall exposure holds steady in most outdoor settings. Colors lean slightly warm, which adds a pleasant look without pushing too far. For a rugged device, these portraits are clear, useful, and good enough for sharing or field documentation. Moving on to the front camera, the 32 megapixel front facing camera is tucked into the top bezel. It captures selfies and video call footage with natural exposure and neutral color balance. Faces remain sharp even under harsh lighting. There is no aggressive smoothing, and highlights don't get clipped in bright sunlight, ideal for quick snaps or on the go communication.
Don't even ask.
The WP300 records in 4K, and the results are better than most rugged devices. Color rendering stays balanced, and focus transitions remain smooth during movement. Electronic stabilization holds up well enough for handheld walking shots. Whether documenting the environment or capturing daily tasks, footage remains usable, detailed, and relatively shake-free, even in less than ideal condition. Altogether, the camera performance of WP300 is comparable to any flagship rugged phone.
But all my thoughts destroyed, give me some peace of mind. It's all I need to give peace to all of my family. I can't go back.
The Oukitel WP300 features a 6.8-inch FHD Plus display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Visibility holds up well in bright daylight, and responsiveness stays sharp even with gloves. The screen isn't just large, it's tuned for actual use. Maps, media, and menus stay easy to read even in tough lighting or on the move. Powered by Dimensity 70505 5G chipset paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, the WP300 handles multitasking, downloads, and file-heavy apps with ease. Performance remains steady even under load.
Weather always makes my nose bleed. Makes my nose.
Gaming is smoother than expected for a rugged build. Popular titles like Call of Duty and NFS run well without thermal throttling. Frame rates stay consistent during longer play sessions. It's a reliable performer whether at work, at camp, or in the middle of nowhere. Okay, what type of battery is powering the engine? Let's check that. A humongous 16,000 mAh battery powers the WP300 for multiple days. Well, when first I got to know that this Oukitel WP300 is packed with a 16,000 mAh battery, I was like, really? Is it true? Because the phone is very slim, yeah, considering the rugged standard, and it's pretty light. Kudos to Oukitel. Well, it supports 45 watt fast charging and 18 watt reverse charging to power up accessories or backup phones in the field. For long treks or chaotic work hours, that built-in stamina eliminates the need to pack a separate power bank. The WP300 delivers more than durability. It rethinks what a rugged phone should be, with modular add-ons, a reliable chipset, a massive battery, and Android 15 for smooth UI. This device feels engineered for real-world problem solving. It replaces multiple gadgets with one survival-ready platform. Whether deep in the wilderness or managing outdoor work, the WP300 stays functional, connected, and ready. I have left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this Oukitel WP300. But well, as usual, that's not an affiliate link. I don't believe in affiliation. If you wanna buy this WP300, you can buy it from anywhere. I'm here to share my honest opinion. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Yeah, one more time. Don't forget to hype the video.
That one day I'll feel peace. I want control over my life. I want that driver's seat. Yeah, it's not you there.